Hello everyone. A warm welcome to our presentation. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore. We are excited to introduce our innovative project titled Automat, a smart mat which makes sunrise easier, safer, and completely hassle-free. Traditional sun-drying methods often face one major problem: unexpected rain. People have to rush outdoors to save food items, spices, puppets, or herbs. This is stressful and often leads to spoilage. Our problem statement is to create an automatic sun drying mat that protects household items from sudden weather changes while ensuring convenience, safety, and efficiency. The purpose of Automat is simple yet powerful. Allow users to naturally sun dry household items. Automatically close the mat when it rains, protecting everything placed on it. Some key benefits include no need for constant monitoring, zero risk of sudden rain damaging items, better hygiene, a reliable drying method suitable for all households. Now, let us understand what makes Automat a smart and reliable option. The mat is made from a waterproof, wood grade material baking mat, ensuring hygiene and durability. The automation system includes an Arduino Uno as the brain, rain sensor to detect raindrops instantly, 180-degree servo motor to roll/close the mat. All these components work together to protect items within seconds of the rain starting. Here's how the mechanism works. The rain sensor detects raindrops. It sends a signal to the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno activates the 180-degree servo motor. The motor folds up the mat automatically. This means even if you are away or busy, your drying items will remain safe. Automat is compact, lightweight, and easy to place on terraces, balconies, courtyards, and other open areas. We also conducted interviews to understand household drying habits and common issues faced. This helps us to design a system that responds quickly, stays hygienic, and remains easy to use for everyone. We both worked on building, programming, and the design of our working model. With our mentor's guidance, we successfully brought the Automat to life. Thank you. Thank you.